Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV mattress short queen on Amazon. Short queen mattresses address this problem as they can comfortably fit in a medium-sized or large RV. A short queen mattress is RV-friendly and constructed with a smaller shape. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Zinus Gel-Infused Green Tea Memory Foam. The Zinus is one of the best RV queen mattresses that's made up of 4 inches of high-density base foam, 1 inch comfort foam, and 1 inch gel-infused memory foam that keeps you cool at night. The mattress is designed to offer comfort, support, and pressure relief. It eliminates pressure from your bones, muscles, and joints so that you wake up feeling relaxed and pain-free. It also adjusts to your body shape with ease. A hypoallergenic knitted jacquard cover encases the 3 layers, and the construction is infused with green tea extract and castor natural seed oil to act as a retardant to bacteria and bad odors. In addition, the product is Certipur US certified for durability, eco-friendliness, performance, and safety. The mattress measures 80 by 60 by 6 inches and is ideal for all types of sleepers. Additionally, it's backed by a 10-year limited warranty. The product, however, has its flaws. It may take too long to expand to its full size when unpacked. It may also fail entirely to expand to its full size, even when left unused for a couple of days. Number 2. Arctic Dreams Cooling Gel Mattress. We love the name of this mattress, but that's not the only reason to recommend it. In addition to the usual layers of firmer foam on the bottom and softer memory foam on the top, the Arctic Dreams cooling mattress includes a 3/4 inch quilted top, making it softer than many of the other choices on this list. The cooling works as advertised, too. In fact, on cold nights, it can start out a bit too cold. We suggest getting a mattress cover for those seasons. No mattress is going to please everybody, and those who like to sleep on a firmer surface will want an alternative without the pillow top. The edges of the bed also sink at exactly the same rate as the center, leaving you in danger of rolling off. Number 3. Sleep Master Memory Foam Mattress. Sleep Master's 10-inch short queen mattress is made of 3 layers. 5 inches of high-density base, 2 inches of concentrated foam to cool and relieve pain on pressure points, and 3 inches of standard memory foam on top. Not only does this mattress fit perfectly in an RV space, it also has a great balance of comfort and firmness that should appeal to a wide variety of sleep habits. The 3 layers work together to cradle you without making you feel like you're sinking. Our main complaint about the Sleep Master mattress is that while it's great at pressure relief, it's not as good at keeping you cool. The layers trap body heat, especially after a few months of use. They also hold in much more odor than we'd like. You'll have to apply baking soda to this mattress reasonably often. Number 4. RV Mattress Short King. This RV Mattress Short King boasts a luxurious 10-inch profile, ensuring a plush and supportive sleeping surface. Crafted with high-quality memory foam, it contours to your body's shape, cradling you in comfort. The medium firm feel strikes a perfect balance, providing adequate support for your spine while allowing for a gentle sinking sensation that relieves pressure points. Say goodbye to restless nights and wake up feeling refreshed and ready for new adventures. To make your RV mattress buying experience even more convenient, the RV Mattress Short King comes in a compressed and roll-packed box. This innovative packaging ensures easy maneuverability and effortless setup. Simply unbox the mattress, place it on your bed frame, and watch it expand to its full size within a few hours. No need to worry about navigating tight spaces or narrow RV doors. This mattress is designed with your convenience in mind. Number 5. Live and Sleep Resort Classic. The Live and Sleep Resort Classic is designed to be the right size for RVs. The top layer is 2.5 inches of memory foam, followed by a 7.5-inch layer of high-density foam for support. It's built with the most breathable available ingredients, combining robust airflow with comfortable support for any sleeping position. If aesthetics are a concern, Live and Sleep has thought of that. This mattress comes with an optional knit cover that maintains airflow while matching almost any interior design scheme. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.